this year, Kelly, while we were cleaning stuff up, found the Advent book that we used to do with Mom back in the day.
Back when I was a kid.
Like 1990s-ish. So we thought we'd do that for Advent this year. Right?
Yeah. Right, I thought that would be awesome.
So, rekindling the joy of Christmas, which kind of appropriate since we're going to be really busy doing VLOGMAS and just normal Christmas activities. We're trying to combine the two this year. So
all of it together. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. So it tells that, we need to pause and think about what Christmas is really about, which is not about the rush, 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 go, 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 Christmas presents, Christmas pageants, Christmas this, that. By the time you're at the day, you're like, ugh. I'm so sick of Christmas. So I thought Advent would be nice because it would help us to pause and think about Jesus, who is really the reason we have Christmas in the first place.
Actually, when we did do this, we had a wreath that was, maybe we'll find a photo of it, but a wreath that was kind of like this with a big center pillar, which was white. And then we had the 4 candles around it. But when I moved over here, I think I gave that away. Not sure.
Nancy, want to light a candle?
You want to help Kelly light the candle?
I'll light the candle.
All right, you gotta help me. Almost there. Think you got it? No? Don't have it.
Can we sing that song?
Yeah, we can sing.
Noel,
Noel, Noel, Noel, born is the King of Israel.
The first Noel, the angels did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay, keeping their sheep on a cold.
At that time, there was a man in Jerusalem named Simeon. He was righteous and devout and was eagerly waiting for the Messiah to come and rescue Israel. The Holy Spirit was upon him and had revealed to him that he would not die until he had seen the Lord's Messiah. That day the Spirit led him to the temple. So when Mary and Joseph came to present the baby Jesus to the Lord, as the law required, Simeon was there. He took the child in his arms and praised God, saying, "Sovereign Lord, now let your servant die in peace. As you have promised, I have seen your salvation, which you have prepared for all people. He is a light to reveal God to the nations, and he is the glory of your people, Israel." Jesus, the light of the world. Jesus spoke to the people once more and said, "I am the light of the world. If you follow me, you won't have to walk in darkness, because you will have the light that leads to life."
They looked up and saw a star shining in the east, beyond them far, and to the earth it gave great light, and so it continued both day and night. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. Born is the King. Born is the King. Born is the King of Israel.
Hey, thanks for joining today. We'll see you in tomorrow's vlog.